So, um, hi and welcome back. My backup server, which is Unraid, isn't properly booting. Meaning, I'll boot it right now. It's right there. We will log into the web interface, and I'll show you what I mean. So, and what I mean by it's not properly booting, it's technically booting. Yeah, what I mean by it's technically booting, like it's physically booting. I see that it's booting. It's just not, how do I say this? Properly loading into the OS to make me squirrel. To make me log into the web interface of Unraid. Oh, that would explain it. To log into the web interface of Unraid and fix the problem I was having, which was yesterday I added new drives. You didn't need to see that. Oh, that would help. I forgot last night I was doing troubleshooting and I unplugged my Unraid drive. That would do it. Now it should boot into Unraid. Alright, so it'll boot into Unraid, but it won't boot the web interface. So why isn't this not straight? There we go. So I'm assuming that the flash drive is dying, which I have a backup right here, flash drive. Well, a new flash drive, not backup, that I will just restore from said backup that I made 2 days ago as as something that always gets done. Why can't I get this open? Okay, so it's booted. Now let me do that. See, it is booting. It's booting as I get the backup flash drive out. Well, the flash drive that is going to be all right. So I have the new flash drive. I did all the fanciness that need to be done. Plugging it into the system, hitting DOS boot, and I will turn you around and we will watch said screen come to life. Woo. Ow. I just hit something. Yeah, let's go. I'm tired of seeing all this. I'm going insane. Yeah, this started last night. I'm going insane. My gym part. You know what show I'm going to start watching again? Just because it's been a while. My gym partner's a monkey. Leave a comment if you remember that show. Because... Come on. Come on, you can boot. You can do it. I don't see any flashing lights on this. Oh, do I have to change the boot fig picker thingy? I might have to change the boot picker. I might have to change the boot picker. So Control Alt. Huh, that was weird. It stopped. Oh well. You know what? Let me. There. I'm gonna do this off camera and I'll come back when I've got some type of a result. Those extra blinds were all me. Oh, okay, there we go. There's that. Yeah, I was just being impatient. So let's go over to the laptop and see if that fixed it. This part very rudimentary. Elementary, dear Watson. I don't like that. Let's go with dashboard. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit that like. I'm gonna reboot it. Boot into the GUI version of it. If I need to, I don't care anymore. Like, if I need to do like a new unraid and just copy the config or delete a config because my config got corrupted, I care, but I don't at this point because this is because this is, yeah, I mean, this is my backup server and I really didn't set up my backup server correctly. So if this is the, oh, hi, yeah, the keyboard was close, so this is the push that I would need then to properly config this and then figure out my licensing situation with it, because right now my license is either tied to this one or the one that's in there. I don't know anymore. So I'll figure that out after I get it booted, because I think I have to like sadly pay the subscription fee for Unraid, even though what I'm gonna end up doing in the next couple of months with this box is just buy the lifetime membership, like how I did with my main Unraid server. Or oh no, I can't. I have mixed match drives. I have 2 3s, 2 4s, and like 5. And like a couple of 1 terabytes in here. So I can't really like switch over to TrueNAS, because if I switch over to TrueNAS, it will make me make like 3 separate pools. And then 2 of those pools I would have to stripe and not do a mirror, because I don't care. I mean, I do. Yeah, because right now I have 2 4s, which are my parity drives. I have 2 3s. I also have 2 1 terabyte NVMe's in there and 2 128 gig SSDs. So how I'm going to reconfigure all this is obviously the hard drives are hard drives. The 2 NVMe's that are in there that came out of my Unraid box, my old Unraid box, will end up being my cache drives or something along those lines. And the 128 gig ones will be my app data, so my Docker. And we are logged back in, and let's do that. All right, let's see what happens. And that's what I've been getting. I doubt it. So this has technically a 40 gig connection. So I don't understand why. Am I going to have to... You know what? Let me try something. I'm going to try making a new unraid. Unlinking my... I have no idea. I don't know. I'll get back to everyone. I think I might know, but I don't think I know. Alright, so I'm back. I removed my old pool data thinking maybe that's corrupted and it's not allowing it to boot. So we will find out. I do, but I don't have high hopes for that. The reason why I'm saying I do is because that's probably what it was, because it sort of was forced to be, it was forcefully shut down during a formatting. So that might be it. And the truth is, if the data is gone, the data is gone. There was maybe one important app on this. Sorry, 2 important apps on it, and that was it. Yeah, it wasn't like crazy. This just always takes forever, some weird reason. Cause we're running with the shadows of the night. Come on, you can do it. So baby, take my hand, it'll be alright. I can probably actually unplug the 1 gig connection again, because I had that in for troubleshooting. Because this only gets a 40 gig connection, because of my Switch has 6 40 gig ports. Yeah, I'm going to shut this off, and with my luck, it's going to come back the second I shut it off like last time. So I'm going to just shut this off. Okay, here it is. Let's do the GUI boot and see if that fixed it so I don't have to pull my laptop out again. Yes, I know I'm like 2 feet away from my desktop, but that is a lot of work for me to move back over there, and yeah. Yeah, I know, it's making me sound lazy. Oh, well. Surrender all your dreams to me tonight. Oh. Oh, I just realized. You see a spoiler in this shot. Huh. Oh well. Maybe right there. I think this might have been it. Watch, it's not. It probably isn't. It just loaded all the ZFS stuff into it, so I mean, no pools available, that's fine. Installing boot extra packages. Oh, I probably have to remove that next. But we'll see. If that doesn't work, then that's what I'll do, is I'll remove the boot. Unstable, no. Like I said, I might see if, we'll see if this works. I highly, highly doubt it. Oh. I knew I was right. I knew I was right. Can I do that later? Yes, I can. Yep, I knew I was right. Yeah, so I will do this all on the desktop, and we will come back to once this is done. I knew this idiot was right. Alrighty, so I'm back from that. Everything is all good. I even did the 1 more year of what's it called? Updates for Unraid. But what I'm probably going to end up doing is within the next couple of months, just buy another lifetime license, because yeah. Well, mostly because I use Unraid so much that me paying yearly for it, well, for one of the machines at this point, makes no sense. I also have to remember that technically this is the first boot after coming back. Array has errors. That's nice. Like I said, well, I'm also doing probably this wrong. Meaning I'm not doing it the way Unraid would want me to do it. Yes, I'm kind of impatient. But yeah, I would call that somewhat successful. Somewhat. Somewhat, not 100%, because I'm gonna try to do this off camera, build the other 2 pools. Again, actually, the first thing I'm going to do is update this to the newest version of Unraid, because even though it's my backup server usually is on the beta, because I'm a madman. Yeah. Because for some reason I'm a madman and I like having my backup server on what's it called? On the beta software. I don't know why. I just do. It's something that I do. So, but I know that this doesn't look like it's doing anything. I know what it's doing. It's getting all the services back up. So once that happens, I will come back. So I got it working again. I don't remember what I said in the last clip, because at this point it's 3 days? Yeah. Ooh, excuse me. Yeah, it's like 3 days. So I got it working. I had to delete the old pools, I was about to say clips, they are not clips. The old pools reconfigured everything, and now I need more RAM because I did everything in ZFS, and it has what, 50% used? Yeah, about 50% of it is used. So off camera, I'll probably get more RAM depending on the pricing of it. So yeah, that's about it. That was a weird video, huh? If you want to see more, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell, because supposedly that bell does something. I don't know. Only you know. YouTube algorithm nonsense, whatever. I don't know. So, like I said before, remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more, click on one of these videos.